with me, my friend. Look, today we are going to have one of the most delicious salad. It's an Indian vegan salad. Roasted chickpea and cauliflower with Dukkah seasoning. Delicious! Woo, it's gonna be awesome! Welcome to Tete's Kitchen. So, Dukkah seasoning is 3 ingredients: sesame seed, ground cumin, roasted chopped almonds. Those 3 ingredients is gonna have such a good flavor in this salad. We are going to start cutting the cauliflower, then drain the chickpeas and drying with paper towel and put in the oven for 30 minutes to roast. Then we're gonna add the ingredients and voila! It's gonna be a beautiful salad, a delicious salad. Come with me. We're going to turn the oven 355 and let it preheat. When it gets through 355, we are going to roast. Now we are drying all the chickpeas, paper towel, and transfer to the baking sheet. Drizzle with a little bit of olive oil, salt, pepper. Now we are going to prepare the cauliflower. Okay, now we cut in half. We set aside the other half. We clean the leaves. We cut in quarters. Baking sheet. Drizzle oil, olive oil. Salt to taste, a little bit of pepper, let's toast this. So each one in separate baking sheets for 30 minutes. Okay. In the meanwhile, when we are waiting for the 30 minutes in cauliflower and chickpea to roast, we are preparing the Dukkah and the dressing. So we have plenty of time because it's gonna be 30 minutes in the oven, okay? Okay, 2 tablespoons of sesame seed, half a teaspoon of ground cumin. It's very strong, so we always use half. For those that doesn't know what cumin is a very common used seasoning in India. It has an earthly flavor, very unique in all the Indian dishes. They use a lot. It's very flavorful. Let's see, I think all this is gonna be half a cup of roasted almond, chopped roasted almond. We are going to roast now. We always keep stirring so it won't burn. Don't let it burn. It is roasting in its own oil. You don't need any oil here. But I like to put a little bit of salt. Okay. Now we are gonna mix with those two. The smell, guys, is so good. Woohoo! The aroma. Okay, we are gonna set aside and let's do the dressing. Dressing is very easy. Half a cup of coconut yogurt, no sugar, half a teaspoon of minced garlic, we are going to do half a teaspoon of lemon zest. So you got the zester, I always like to put more than half a teaspoon because I like so much lemon. So I'm very generous here. Oops, look at this. Always, guys, be generous in life for everything. Now, we're gonna cut the lemon and squeeze. Woohoo! Just half a lemon will do. Okay, here we are. The sponsor, Nalani coconut mango. It's so good for your skin. Why don't you try? Go to nalanibotanics.com. Thank you. Thank you so much for sponsoring me. Now, if you like this video, subscribe to the channel, click like, share with the world, share with your friends, share with your family, share with everybody. We need this. We need the subscriptions. Thank you. Wake up! I think it's ready. We are picking this up. And this. Look how nice they look. Nice and toasted and roasted. See? We are going to throw some of this Dukkah right away when it comes out of the oven on top of the chickpea and set aside. This is gonna get it some flavor. Adjust the salt. And both of them. And now we are transferring to our dish. Let's stir a little bit. Throw more of this now, the Dukkah. The dressing is going to go just a few drops like this. And once you serve in your plate, now we're gonna garnish with parsley. There you go. Enjoy. Take on the day. Food for thought before we say goodbye today. You know where the best place in the world is when you are sad? Is inside of a hug. Give somebody else a hug today. Hug someone. Be hugged. Oh, it's the best thing ever. And eat some salad. Eat some good salad. See you next video.